India, Pakistan, democracy is big drama.
Hey guys! Today we'll dive into some intense geopolitical drama that almost brought two nuclear-armed neighbors to the brink of war. Let's talk about India, Pakistan, and Trump. Stick around to find out how he played a surprising role in easing tensions. So, here's the backdrop. On April 22, 2025, a horrific attack in Pahalgam, Indian-administered Kashmir, left 26 tourists dead. India's response was swift and fierce with Operation Sindoor, launching airstrikes targeting terrorist infrastructure deep within Pakistan. What followed was days of escalating violence, missile exchanges, and drone warfare. We're talking nearly 70 casualties in just a few weeks. Now, amidst all this chaos, entered Donald Trump. On May 7th, he called the situation a shame and hoped for a quick resolution. Then, on May 8th, he offered to mediate between the two nations. And finally, just 2 days later, on May 10th, he announced a full and immediate ceasefire on Truth Social, congratulating both countries on using common sense and great intelligence. Bold move, right? But here's where it gets interesting. India downplayed the US involvement, insisting that the ceasefire was a direct agreement with Pakistan and rejecting any notion of third-party mediation. On the other hand, Pakistan praised the US efforts and thanked Trump for his role in brokering peace. Talk about differing narratives. Despite the ceasefire announcement, both sides accused each other of violations. Cross-border firing and drone sightings continued to be reported. Yet, as of today, May 11th, the ceasefire seems to be holding, albeit tenuously. Trump's intervention, whether welcomed or not, highlights the delicate balance of power in this region. With both nations possessing nuclear arsenals, every move is scrutinized globally. The international community, including leaders from the UK, Germany, the EU, China, and even Pope Leo XIV, expressed relief and called for sustained peace. In the midst of all this, the local reactions were mixed. There was skepticism in Pakistan-administered Kashmir, but a sigh of relief in Indian-administered Kashmir. The world watched with bated breath, hoping that the fragile peace would hold. In closing, Trump's words may have been vague, but they carried significant weight. In a region where even a tweet can shape history, his intervention was a reminder of how interconnected our world is. One spark can light a fire, but diplomacy, even from unlikely sources, can sometimes douse the flames. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more global updates and stories. This is your channel name, bringing you the latest in global politics. Stay informed, stay engaged. Until next time.